Why is your muscle just vanishing, even when you are doing absolutely everything right? Look, if you're a guy over 60, you might have noticed this incredibly frightening silent change happening in your body. It doesn't come with a blaring warning alarm, right? But suddenly you feel that total mystery of vanishing strength. And man, it triggers this deep-seated fear of losing your independence, of not being the strong rock your family relies on. But what if I told you there is a real glimmer of hope? One single, super powerful everyday food you can add to your breakfast that can literally reverse this lost muscle, starting right now. Well, we're going to keep exactly what that food is a secret for just a second, but stick with me because the science inside this explainer will absolutely change how you start your mornings. So, why is your muscle vanishing in the first place? Speaking guy to guy here, we all know that totally relatable fear. You go to stand up from your favorite chair, and out of nowhere, your legs feel like they're made of solid lead. You're not being lazy, man, and you certainly aren't broken. You are just missing a critical nutrient. And there's a single, strictly science-backed food that can rebuild that lost muscle. It's not some crazy expensive supplement, it's something that's probably sitting right in your refrigerator right this second. Let me hit you with the hard, scary truth straight from the clinical data. 50%. This silent muscle wasting condition is responsible for half of all hospitalizations due to falls in adults over 65. Half of them. Leaving this unchecked is practically flipping a coin with your own independence, and that's just not a game we want to play. All right, section 1, the silent muscle thief. I gotta be totally honest with you. This hits incredibly close to home for me. I vividly remember looking in the mirror one morning, just getting out of the shower, and noticing my own shoulders losing that broadness they always used to have. My arms were definitely getting thinner. I was still active, but I realized I was leaving serious health gains on the table. The medical term for what I was seeing, and what you might be seeing right now, is sarcopenia. It actually comes from the Greek words meaning poverty of flesh. Sounds pretty grim, right? It's the progressive loss of muscle mass, strength, and function with aging. It is a silent thief that starts stealing 1 to 2% of our muscle mass every single year once we hit our 60s. So why exactly does this happen to us? Think about it like this. When you're 30, your muscle soaks up protein like a sponge. Your body just drops the protein off right at the front door, no questions asked. But at 60, your muscle basically turns into a stubborn bouncer at a nightclub. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. You could be eating the exact same steak you ate in your 30s, but now your body has to fight past this heavy-duty security gate just to get those muscle-building nutrients inside. Which brings us to section 2, the morning rescue window. Here is the biological reality of what's happening. While we sleep, our bodies go into a catabolic state, actively breaking down muscle tissue for energy. By morning, your muscles are practically begging for a rescue. That makes breakfast your critical biological rescue window to stop the breakdown. What here is where most guys completely drop the ball with common morning muscle killers. You've got white bread, which spikes your insulin and actually blocks muscle repair. You've got black coffee on an empty stomach. Those high cortisol levels literally break down your hard-earned muscle. Processed meats like bacon and sausage, they contain nitrosamines that damage your muscle cells' mitochondria. And refined cereals are just totally lacking the complete proteins your body desperately needs to rebuild. The clinical data proves exactly what guys our age need. Active seniors, 60 and up, require a massive 25 to 40 grams of protein per meal just to override that anabolic resistance. You need that much just to bust past that stubborn bouncer at the club we talked about earlier. If you're just having a cup of coffee and a sad piece of toast, man, you are starving your muscles right when they need you the absolute most. So let's fix it. Section 3, the ultimate muscle builder. I promised you a secret weapon at the very beginning of this explainer, and here it is. The whole egg. Yep, nature's most perfectly designed muscle repairing food. The simple whole egg, yolk and all. Eating this incredibly affordable everyday food right at breakfast is the absolute key to flipping the switch in your body from losing muscle to building it. It is literally the perfect nutritional payload. Let's dive into exactly how it does this in section 4, the science of the yolk. Okay, I know exactly what you're thinking. Back in the 90s, we were all told the yolk would instantly clog our arteries, so we dutifully ate those sad rubbery egg white omelets. But tossing the yolk, that is a huge mistake. The yolk contains serious secret weapons. First up, leucine. This is the master key that turns on the mTOR muscle-building switch in your cells. Then you have vitamin D, which binds directly to your muscle receptors to actually stimulate growth. There's choline, which wires up the nerve-to-muscle signaling so your brain can actually talk to your biceps. And lutein and zeaxanthin, which fight off that systemic inflammation that breaks down tissue. And guess what? All of that magic is isolated right there in the yolk. The proof on this is just undeniable. A landmark study from the University of Illinois took older adults and gave them either whole eggs or just egg whites after a workout. The group eating the whole eggs triggered a staggering 40% greater muscle protein synthesis. Even though the total protein consumed by both groups was exactly the same, the whole egg group completely crushed the egg white group. No contest. But wait, what about cholesterol? Well, the 2020 dietary guidelines for Americans actually quietly walked back the decades-old strict cholesterol limits. We can finally put that old, outdated fear to rest. Large-scale meta-analyses show that eggs actually raise your good HDL cholesterol and do not harm healthy seniors. The yolk is not your enemy, guys. You have the total green light here. Let's put this into motion. Section 5, your daily action plan. Knowing the science is great, but executing it is where the real magic happens. First up, you gotta cook them. Ditch that old Rocky Balboa raw egg drinking routine right now. The data shows that gently cooking your eggs skyrockets the protein absorption to a massive 91%, compared to a measly 51% if you eat them raw. Cooked eggs are what actually deliver those amino acids straight to your muscles. You want to utilize the biological synergy of what's called the anabolic plate strategy. Here's what you do. You want 2 to 3 gently cooked whole eggs for that leucine-packed protein. Pair that with a small, complex carbohydrate, like a little bit of oats or whole grain toast. Why? Because it slightly spikes your insulin, which actually acts as a shuttle to push those amino acids straight into the muscle cells. Finally, throw in some leafy greens, like a handful of spinach. That gives you a hit of nitric oxide to open up your blood vessels and deliver the payload. It's the perfect combo. It all comes down to 3 incredibly foolproof steps. Step 1, hydrate with a big glass of water immediately upon waking. Step 2, eat your 2 to 3 whole eggs within 60 minutes of waking up. Step 3, do some light resistance exercise. This perfectly rescues your biological morning window and absolutely locks in those serious gains. And guys, let me reassure you, based on the clinical research, no gym required. Seriously, you do not need to throw heavy iron around in some crowded gym to make this work. Things like wall push-ups, bodyweight squats, or using simple resistance bands just 3 times a week is completely enough. It triggers the repair crews in your body and tells those awesome egg nutrients exactly where they need to go to rebuild your arms and legs. Let's step back for a second and look at the whole picture. When you start rebuilding that muscle, everything changes. You get your independence back. You build stronger bone density because those stronger muscles actively pull on your bones, fortifying them. You get way better brain health, thanks to the choline wiring up your nervous system. And you get a massive defense against diabetes because having more muscle means you have a faster, much more efficient metabolism. It's a win all around. So I gotta ask, are you ready to rebuild your independence tomorrow morning? You don't have to just accept getting weaker as some normal, inevitable part of aging. You now have the exact blueprint to take control of your aging process and stay strong for life. Start tomorrow morning with a couple of whole eggs and claim your strength back. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay strong, guys.